Welcome back to the channel, and this is going to be the, well, it's already been unboxed, but this is going to be the overview for the case for our new build Scarlet Wolf, and this case is the Amides AI Crystal White. This will be a bit of a longer video than normal. First off, this chassis is white. There are 3 tempered smoked glass panels. So this is not just a normal clear glass, it's smoked, and you can see that when you take the panel off. So take it off carefully, and you can see that this case has a lot of white on the inside, and this is really quite dark. And that's the same on the other side as well. You can see the glass right here. It's the same thing. Take this off. Generally, these things come out pretty easy. There's no need to over tighten these screws when you're putting them back on. Otherwise it's just a pain in the butt. Let's just start. And now it's ready to go. I used this case in a previous build called Carbon Crystal, and there'll be a link to that build and this case down below. Again, all white. There is a fan hub already installed, so it's running 3 fans. Fan on the back, 3 fans up front. They're white 120s. No, I think this is a 140 at the back. Yeah, I think this is a 140. The front ones are, I think they're 120. I'm not sure. That'll be in the part description. There's a bay for an SSD here, here, and here. There's a ton of cable tie downs. There's so many cable tie downs. This case is really well done. There's about a finger worth of cable space on the side over here, and there's about a thumb's worth of space down on the bottom here, and quite a bit over here on the corner. Additionally, there is the sort of panel that's on the NZXT S340, but on this one it's bigger. It's a lot bigger. You get this big panel here, which you can take off, and it just comes off like that. If you want to route your cables in like that and not worry about this panel, it does come off. We're going to put it back. And it's just really easy install. There's an up here for your HD audio, and there's a big hole here for your video card and your front cable. But that's the only holes that you have in the top here. It's just this one and this one. There's a bunch of pre-installed motherboard standoffs. There is some space on the side here if you wanted to run some LED strips out to put them on the bottom and on the top. This is aluminum, so magnetic strips will stick. This top is magnetic. There's room for 120s and 140s up top. Up here you've got your fan speed for silent, low, and high. You've got your mic and headphone, you've got a power cable. You've got either a reset button or a light button. 2 USB 2.0s and 2 USB 3.0s. Take this front panel off. And this part is also glass. There's quite a bit of intake room on the side. You've got about a finger's worth of space here. So it can draw the air in from the side and funnel it into the fan. We're probably going to put the cooler up front as well. There is a pre-installed magnetic fan filter up front for all 3 fans. How's the weight? Not bad. Still pick it up with one arm. Your power supply bay is on the side here. You do have standoffs, so the fan can get some airflow. There is a fan filter underneath. So the only unfiltered part of this computer is the rear exhaust, and that's totally fine. You do have cable holes for your CPU, some top fans here, and a really big hole here for other stuff. You do get this big space here for cables. You get these 3 SSD bays here, and 2 bays for hard drives. I think that's about it. Really good case. Probably the only issue with it is the holes for cables and things on top of here. If you're not good at cable management, probably wouldn't buy this case, just because there's so much glass on it. Even though it is smoked, the backside is clear. Backside has a glass panel on it, and you'll have your work cut for you. While we have the case up, we're actually going to be taking off all these fans and putting on a set of 7 Thermaltake Ring 12 fans. So this fan right here, if you haven't ever seen a ring fan, it kind of looks like that. Case can look like that. So we're gonna have 3 up front, 3 120s up top, and then 1 120 in the back for a total of 7. We're gonna do our best to control all of the fan speeds, so that way they're not super loud, because we will have 7 120s. And we'll also be making the case look good. We have this cable mod white strip, and it'll probably go up top here. So white case, white motherboard. Still waiting on the video card, gray and white memory. The ZXT cooler is gonna help out. I do believe that is it. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. I really liked going in and shooting it. Let me know if y'all have any comments or questions. You can leave a comment down below. There'll be links to all these parts down below, as well as the link to the case, to the build that had this case on it before. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you like watching our content, and we'll see y'all in the next video.